guys, it's Tessa. So in today's video I'm going to be dyeing my bangs yellow. So this is the first time I'll be dyeing my bangs since I cut them. The hair dye I'm going to be using is Cosmic Sunshine by Arctic Fox Hair Colour. If you guys are interested in purchasing Arctic Fox hair dye, I do have a discount code for you so you can get some money off your order. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to section the rest of my hair out the way. Okay, now we're looking all funky and I've separated the bangs from the rest of the hair. Ready to dye. So I'm going to take the hair dye and I'm going to put it straight from the bottle into the bowl. Because we are only just dyeing this bit, we don't want to use too much hair dye, so I think this will be enough, but we'll see. I can always put some more in the bowl. Okay, so this is the hair colour that I haven't dyed my hair before, and I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like, so let's start painting it on. Wow, this yellow is so bright, guys. Wow. I'm going to leave this on for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to rinse with cold water. Cold water will help prevent the colour from fading into the rest of my hair. But I'm going to just wash it out separately like this and then we'll see what it looks like. This hair dye stains so much. Oh, wow. Very pigmented. So I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. Hey, and there we go. I really like the colour. I've never been this colour before, so it's nice to see what sort of contrast it looks like. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to because it does stick out quite a lot because it's quite a bright, vibrant colour, but it's different, so that's why I like it so much because I don't know, I've not seen anything like this. I really like it. I'm really happy with the results. My hands are stained yellow, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. I would recommend wearing gloves if you were going to do this. But it goes so nicely with the blonde. It just makes all the little things pop. I feel like I look like a completely different person. I look so different. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a yellow thumbs up, and go subscribe. And I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye, guys.